In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Vimeo videos. Whether you're looking to save some time by quickly absorbing content or simply prefer watching at a faster pace, this guide will walk you through the steps to adjust the playback speed on Vimeo with ease. First things first, you'll want to head over to Vimeo's website by typing vimeo.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up. Logging in is important because it gives you access to all the platform's features. After you're successfully logged in, it's time to choose a video that you want to watch. Vimeo has a vast library of content, so take a moment to browse and select something that piques your interest. Once you've made your choice, click on the video to start playing it. Now that your video is playing, direct your attention to the video player controls. You'll notice a small gear icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the player. Click this gear icon to open up a menu of settings that you can adjust. In this settings menu, look for the option labelled playback speed. This is where you can change how fast or slow the video runs. Clicking on playback speed will present you with a range of speed options. These usually include options like 1.25x, 1.5x and even up to 2x speed. Choose a speed that suits your viewing preference. If you're not sure, you might want to start with a slightly faster speed like 1.25x to see how you find it. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Not every video on Vimeo will have the playback speed option available. For this feature to be enabled, the video owner must have a Pro, Business or Premium Vimeo plan, and they must enable speed controls when uploading the video. If you don't see the playback speed option, don't worry, you have a couple of alternate routes you can take. One effective method is to use a browser extension like the Video Speed Controller available for Chrome or Firefox, which allows you to override the video's speed settings. Another option would be to download the video, provided it's allowed by the video owner, and watch it using a media player like VLC that supports speed adjustments. By following these steps, you can enjoy films, tutorials, and any kind of content on Vimeo at a pace that suits you perfectly. This flexibility can be particularly helpful for revisiting material you're already familiar with, or when you're short on time but still want to catch an important video. Enjoy your high-speed viewing on Vimeo, and as always, happy watching.